In this video, we'll see a numerical on the time loss or gain in a clock. This type of questions. Now a seconds pendulum. What is seconds pendulum? T is equal to 2 seconds. Has a steel wire. The clock is calibrated at 20 degrees Celsius. How much time does the clock lose or gain in 1 week? The temperature has increased to 30 degrees centigrade. That means the temperature got increased from 20 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. What will happen to the wire? The wire will increase in length. L will become L prime. L prime is more than L. When time period increases, you know that T is proportional to root over L. Then time period increases. If the time period increases, you know, there is a loss of time. The clock will be rotating fast. There will be a loss of time actually. Okay. So in that situation, we can find out this change in time given by the expression delta t is equal to half t alpha delta theta. Delta theta means change in temperature, you know. So let us put the values here. Half into what is this? 2 seconds into alpha. Alpha value in the question is given as, just scroll up and see, 10 power minus 5 into delta theta 30 minus 20. If you simplify this, you get 1.2 into 10 to the power of minus 4 seconds. There is 10 power minus 5 it is here. Okay. So delta t we got 1.2 into 10 power minus 4. So we have to find the new time period now. So the new time period t prime is equal to t plus delta t. So t originally was 2, 1.2 into 10 to the power of minus 4 seconds. So it is 2.00 and